Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, according to your team over there. You are welcome to Alex Graphics YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I want to teach you how to make how to do another mockup with your Photopea. I mean the legit one. Okay, if you are new to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please and please subscribe, please. I hope you are gaining something from this channel. Please subscribe. Okay, let's go to today's work. The first application we use every time when we want to provide a mockup for Photopea is pixellab. So click on the pixellab application. So cancel this and delete this. Now after deleting this, let's just bring in our text. So let's bring in our text. You don't need much to do here. Just to save our time. Just to save our time. Just to save our time. So download your 3000 font in the description below. Download your 3000 font in the description below. You can use any font you like. This is my favorite font, so I just have to use it. So now learn all skills. So now enlarge it. Just have to type your own. You can't be copying my work. Everyone have to have his logo or our logo and different name. Or maybe you want to do it for a client. So let me just give this one a font. Okay. Here you go. So color. Just not to waste much of our time. So here, then color. Now let's get the shape. Sorry. So let's get the shape. This is the shape I get here. So just make your shape here. Now this capacity, reduce it and then come here. You see. So change the color. Change the color here. If you increase this capacity, can you see the color? So you pick the color here, but for the for this one, for this line outline stuff, so you pick the color here. Can you see? So you can just leave your stroke, so you can just leave it at 14 or 15. So let's just mark it like this, then copy your work. So copy this shape. Now bring it here. Are you getting something? Can you see? Just do it like this. Then bring in your text. So just enlarge it to level of your satisfaction. Then font. So here you go. There we go. Sorry. So now give this color. So here, copy your work. Then type your name. Sorry. Copy. Then edit. G. The reason why I type it one by one is that the G will be more bigger than the A. That is why I type it one by one. Can you see they are in the same size and the G is more bigger than the A. So I have to type it one by one for it to make sense. Let me just bold it. I think you are okay for here. So now let's arrange our word well. So yeah. Okay. Now for not to waste much of our time, I think we are done now. So just come here and press this. You don't need to give it 3D or anything. Just press this here. Then press this 3 dot. Can you see? Press the 3 dots and press sorry. Press extract image and save your work as ultra. As you can see, this is ultra. Save your work as ultra. So save image. Mind you, download your 3000 fonts and pixellab that come with 5000 fonts in the description below. Okay, let's go for the Photopea work. Okay, for you to work on your Photopea application, sorry, the application is not working normal again, so you have to use the browser. So all your data, okay, go to your Chrome, photopea.com, go for it. For those of you that you have not updated your Chrome, please, if the Chrome asks for update, don't update it. It will be delaying you. It will give you a very slow network. So better for you to don't update any fucking Chrome. Even when you get to Play Store, you see a lot of comments. Like 5,000 people are commenting that the new update of Chrome is nonsense. So don't update anything. Okay, press your file. Yeah, press your file and press open. Open, as you can see, open is here. Press open. Find the mockup you want to use. You just find the mockup. The mockup is here in download. So can you see? I've already been saying this. This is the preview. Don't press this. So this is the correct one. Just press this now. I think everyone see our mockup is loading right here. So just wait. Let's wait a little bit. Let's wait. Still loading. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Sorry, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Alex Gravis channel, please. And click on the bell icon for you to be the first person to get my notification. Subscribe, please subscribe. I think you are getting something from me. Please subscribe. Please subscribe. I think I'm getting slow network here. Okay. No. So now just click on your layer. Click on your smart object. Can you see? So and click on your open. Here is it. So just press your file and open and replace. Just press it here. Then bring in your pixellab work. So let's go here. Image. The reason why I tell you not to select the one I cancel, the mockup I cancel all that time. If you select that one, it won't bring smart object. Even if you bring smart object, it won't bring open. So that means you don't select the file. When you click it and it's not bringing open, that means you don't select the file. So enlarge your work. Sorry, this is it. So now press lay and select the first layer, then delete it. This is the delete icon. Yeah, so delete it, click out, then press file, press save smart object, save smart object. Okay, sorry, you are not able to press that side, so you are not, you can't be able to point the arrow on the place. Just this it, save as smart object. Okay, it's loading. Here you have to wait, just have to wait because it take a lot of time. Okay, still loading. Please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, Alex Graphics. Like my video, comment in every tutorial you're watching. Please comment. Now our mockup is here. You have to click this one, don't click this one. So let's just click it now. When you click it, your mockup is loading. You just have to wait. Your mockup is loading. So when our mockup is loading, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, like my video, share and comment. Please share and comment. Please and please share to your friends to learn more and comment in every tutorial you're watching. I hope you are getting something from me now. Just press the subscribe button and turn on the notification button so you'll be the first person to see my tutorial anytime I release the tutorial. Many tutorials still coming up about Photopea. I'm still making a research on where on the site to download mockup file for Photopea. So just kindly stay tuned and subscribe for you to know when I drop the link. The link on how to download any mockup file for Photopea. Still loading. We all know that here you spend a lot of time, like 1 to 2 minutes. So we just have to wait. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Still loading. Our mockup is loading. Our mockup is loading. Yes, here is our mockup. Next thing here is to press the file, export as PNG. So here you press your save your work, download. I think we are done for today. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and comment. Please, please, you are doing something now. Please comment, like the video, and share to your friends to learn more. Okay, meet next tutorial with another hot cake. Goodbye for now.